Hello, I am the General, and I am here today to reveal the new world order. As nobody seems to get along anymore, I am proposing we divvy up all the available landmass and put everybody who's into the same shit together. This will bring peace and unity to an otherwise divided planet. I would like to mention new designated territories not bear any relation to countries or people that currently reside there. Thank you. So, for example, the warmongers will go here, the racists there, homophobes can bunch up over here, wife beaters and pedos here and here. The last two won't be very up on their own, but tough bleeding luck. Then we've got the thieves, they can steal from each other, the swingers, that works, potheads, they won't know where they are anyway, and anal intent is over here. Good luck with all that. Moving on, elf nuts, adulterers, workaholics, those consumed by greed, and the insane. While over here we have musos, celebs, star fuckers, that'll be interesting, and environmentalists, here, 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 and here. Meanwhile, heavy metalers, religious folk, computer geeks can go up here. Do-gooders, boozers, go-getters, gamers, sports fans, sci-fi nerds, and loners, all present and correct. And finally, Celine Dion. Anyone who attempts to escape from their allotted turf will be shot on sight. Any questions? No? Good. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Speak.
Stay.
Speak.
Stay and speak.
Speak. Speak, Lexi. Good girl.